spoke this thing to me that y'all too should make a record. And then he had me to look at you. I see some paperwork. I see some paperwork. I know you've been asking God for something special. And this is the day. This is the day. Said the Lord. It's going to happen. In your favor. How you want it. Not how they going to give it to you. But how you want it. You going to sign. You know, most time God tell people don't sign that paper, don't sign, don't you do it. But this time you get to sign. Jesus. Jesus. Look at God. I mean the Lord gets started right even this stuff. Maybe it's just what he wants me to tell you tonight. Tonight's your night. Tonight's your night. Tonight is what happens to you. I see money coming your way. I see stuff just falling in your lap. You done cried out. And ain't nothing happened to her. But this night, watch God. Like you don't already know that you got crazy faith. Your husband got crazy faith on him. Now, I didn't know that, but I know somebody that knows all things. He got some crazy faith. As a matter of fact, you look at him crazy. Sometimes you will say, honey. Jesus. God is good.
Let the Lord use you.
God is good. God is real. Hallelujah. You know, I might well just go and tell you be done with it, huh?
Take your time.
I didn't come here to prophesy.
Let the Lord use you.
I come to give y'all a word on tonight. As a matter of fact, I got a 2-part word. The word starts and it stops. And then the end it starts back up again. It goes from 1 to 11. And then it comes back. I see a $50,000 grant coming your way. And as good as you is, as hard as you play, you ain't got to worry about nothing.
Go ahead.
Give it to him right.
Let the Lord use you.
Don't mess me up like that. You done got me up on that. I need to know. You got to give me.
My Lord. Yes, Lord.
I'm going to say it like this now. There's 2 years of college that you need to do. 2 years of college. You ain't got to worry about nothing about going to college or doing anything, but there's 2 years of college. See, God is ordaining you to go to college for 2 years. It's something that you need to get out of college. It's something that you need to take up. But during that time of your college year, I want you to set aside to yourself. Nobody around you but you. And I want you to begin writing songs. Just begin writing songs. Just begin writing songs. And after you get to the 5th song, I want you to introduce them to Pastor Wright up here. I want you to introduce them to her while y'all get together. See, when you get together, then she gonna start writing songs. See, you got to provoke her to write them so that y'all can come to me.
Prophesy, Holy Spirit.
God is going to move. God is going to move on your behalf. But see, when you begin to write, you're going to give them to her. That's going to provoke her to write. She is don't